Let's go. See, you're all covered up. Nothing can get skin up. Let's go.
Yeah, my eyes.
1, 2, 3. Go.
Alright, now. Oh, God! Oh, that hurts. God.
Are you okay? Oh, are you okay?
My butt. God. Damn.
I'm so proud of you for actually doing it, though. Where are you at? Okay, let me get back to the camera. Let's see your eyes. Are you in there? All right, say goodbye.
God, I hit the side of the sled. Whatever the heck it is.
There he is. He tried it. He was brave.
God.
So proud of him.
I lost my hat, too. That hurts so bad. Oh.